Collecting text evidence and writing commentary from articles about personal health. Okay, today we're going to work on transferring those notes from your notebook into an online form in Easybib that has some really cool features that will save you a ton of time and really help you learn how to research later in the year. Okay, we're also today going to work on some behavior things of following instructions step by step. I'm going to go through really quickly right now all 9 of these steps so you get a quick overview of it, but then your job is going to be to follow those instructions, and there are also video tutorials you can come back to on this site, and I'll show you where those are. Okay, so notes in Easybib and working on following directions. All right, the first thing you need to do is to open up 3 tabs, one for your Google Drive, one for the Northview Media Center or Northview main page, and one for easybib.com. Okay? So on the Northview main page, I actually want you to go a little bit further and get to our guide page for this class. So you're going to click Media Center and you're going to click Student Guides, and you'll see throughout the year that you'll have these pages for all of your projects that involve some kind of research and maybe some additional as well. So 8th grade health is what you want to click on. All right, so I've got my drive, my 8th grade health. I can close these to other tabs, so I've just got these open here. Okay, first thing then is to sign into Easybib. You're going to click sign up. You may have used Easybib before, but we're going to go beyond just citing sources, and so we need to sign in so we can save our projects, and also the school has paid for some additional features, so we need to get to those. You're going to click sign in with Google. Since you've already logged into your Google Drive, it probably will bring you up right here and you can select the account. Mine will probably recognize me. Whoop, I guess it's timed out here, but it's signing in anyway. If you're asked to accept allowing it to access Google Docs, you should definitely say yes to that. Accept anything like that. Mine brings me right here, and I have projects already. You don't have anything in here yet, but you're going to go to Hi Kate or Hi Your Name, and then you're going to click Settings because we need to add the coupon code that allows us to have access to the features our school paid for. Mine already says I have the coupon code in here. Yours right here will say Manage Coupon Codes, and what you want to do is enter Northview Middle with no spaces and all small letters in that Manage Coupon Code box. Okay, so once you've done that, you can click My Projects, and this is where it's kind of the center of your Easybib Central. All right, you're going to click My Projects, you're going to create a new project, you're going to call it Personal Health. You can leave this other stuff blank, and we're going to use MLA citation style because that's the type of citations we need. You're going to click Create. Okay, so you see I've got 2 because I've been practicing here. We're going to start in the bibliography. That is your works cited, and that's where you want to enter your sources. As you guys know, it's so important to cite your sources, so we're going to do that first thing. Now, ours are not websites. We need to find database sources, but actually it's going to be super simple because we have the articles that you used on your guide page. So you're going to go to your guide page. You're going to find the articles that you have read, and you're going to open up each one of those articles that you've read. So let's say I read these 2 or 3. If you read 2, great. If you read 5, great. Open them up and let's put them in Easybib. It's going to be very simple to do that. All you do is click Citation Tools, and you see the databases will allow you to export it directly to Easybib, which is amazing. So it just saves a ton of time for your work. So you're going to do that for each one of your sources. You're going to go in there and do your citation tools and export to Easybib. Once you have all of your sources in there, that's all you have to do for the bibliography. It's there, it's done. Now we're going to go to the notebook. So you can get to the notebook 2 ways. One, by looking next to the title and using the drop-down menu, or you can always go back to that My Projects page and click Notebook from there. So I'm going to go to the notebook, and here is my favorite part of the Easybib Pro account. It allows you to take notes in a really visual way. So I can either click New Note, or I can just double click in the white area, and then it gives me this beautiful little notes form that asks me to do all the things that my teacher wants, including the source, a direct quote, and then putting that quote in my own words and adding commentary. I also have some cool organizing features, like I can color code things if that helps you to organize your notes. So when I'm ready to take notes, I'm going to go to the articles that I read and find the quotes that I selected last time in my notes. Hopefully this will be quick for you. I'm going to copy the quote that I wanted, and notice I've only got 2 sentences max there. I'm going to title it. So this one is about judgments in work. Okay, but you see I've actually already done this for you. So um, I've got this one right here. I titled this one Judgments at Work. I selected the source that it belongs to. I copied and pasted the quote right in there, and then I put it in my own words. Notice that it's definitely my own words. Notice it's very different. So you can take a look at this. Firms with younger clientele are also more tattoo friendly. I said, although businesses that serve younger people feel more positive of tattoos, lots of people get judged as less appealing, even if the boss has tattoos. And my comment here is my reaction and then also some wondering about it. Okay, notice I also did click organize and I selected green as the color just for kicks. Okay, so that's my note. I'm going to do another one. Let's just do another one for an example here. And then I'll show you how to create a group. Okay, so once you have 2 notes, let's see, these are both about regret or judgments, I could create a group. So let's say this was my group about judgments, okay? And maybe you have your group about regret also. All I did right there, see, was drag one on top of the other and then double click right in here to give it a title. And you've got your groups, okay? So once you have all of your notes in here, remember you should have 4 to 6 notes and at least one group that's called regrets. Then all you have to do is put your notes in a Google Doc. You're going to click print and it's going to create a print preview. So I did print and then next, and all you need to do then is copy and paste it and put it in a Google Doc. So you're back in My Drive. You're going to create a document. You are going to copy it, or excuse me, paste it right in there. And you're going to title it period 1 or whatever class period you are, your last name, and then personal health. And you're going to select 2 that you want feedback on. So maybe I want feedback on this one, and I'm just going to highlight it right there. And I'm also going to put this in my folder, my health assignments folder. So if I click right up here, I can get to folder, and then I'm going to click which folder I want to put it in. And you can put the check mark next to it. You click move, and then you want to go and make sure that that folder is shared with your teacher. So in your folder list, you just check it right there, click share, and you should see your teacher's name. If you don't see Kelly Postma or Nathan Smith, go ahead and put it in there and click send. All right, so that is what you need to do today.